Hello, this is RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing T-Mobile Home Internet. This is the 5G version that just was announced today, and I got to be an early tester for it. I'm going to tell you my experience and if there is going to be a follow-up video, because I am going to share this with T-Mobile and see if there is any tricks we can pull to make this a happier ending than it turns out to be. Let's get started. Alright, now first and foremost, I am a T-Mobile fan. I left Verizon over 5 years ago because of everything the Un-carrier said about them. So many fees, limited internet, all that kind of stuff. I was so happy to leave them. And I've been really happy with over my 6 or 7 plus lines I have on my account. So very happy to have T-Mobile. So I was like, man, this would be great if I could do the same for my home internet. I do not like Spectrum, and I bet many of you don't like the home internet provider you are mandated to get because of your area. And this concept is really good. We need more services like this. We need more choice. We need the ability to have more internet providers so that we can get better service, better internet, and lower cost. So I love the idea that T-Mobile gave. I also love the idea of having T-Mobile being my one bill. $60 per month is what it costs for the 5G home internet. And that's great because I have it with autopay already. So I get it for 60 bucks a month, added to my regular bill. Simple and easy, right? One bill for everything I need for internet. Great. I did not have the best service though. So one of the reasons I went to T-Mobile was because my current internet provider sucks at upload speeds. I really wanted faster. As a content creator, I need faster upload speeds. And the best I can get in my area for my current provider is 20 megabits per second, which more or less is honestly around 10. So when T-Mobile said, we'll give you 50 up and down, I was down. I was like, yes, send it to me. I'll do expedient shipping. Let's get it started. And first, I want to go over the two things I really did like about it, and that is the router and the customer service. So the router is really good. It's a Wi-Fi 6 router. It has dual band. It has 4 Ethernet ports in the back. It really looks slick, and it's really just great and easy to set up. Set it up with the T-Mobile Home Internet app, and it is really simplistic, very dead simple, a little too simple for if you want to do more advanced things, I would say. The two things I would want to see changed to the router overall would be the ability to have a mesh system, the ability to turn off the Wi-Fi, and basically you can do more techie stuff on the website, but I didn't get that website until I talked to the tech support. So having that on the app would be a good way to go. Now with tech support, they really were great. I think they do a very good job. I got talked to Twitter tech support at first at T-Mobile support, and then I got referred to the phone line where they have technicians talk to you, walk through it, reset the router, did all these kind of things. Had a technician apparently get sent out to my area to check the towers. Unfortunately, none of that did help. What my issue was that my signal wasn't consistent. From 9 p.m. to about 11 a.m., great speeds, just what I paid for. I was getting 40 plus on average, and sometimes even peaking around 80 megabits per second. Now, I live in Bellflower, California, so I really don't have a 5G tower right around my area. It's a little bit further out, so maybe that might be the issue that I'm having. And overall, maybe if I lived in downtown LA, obviously, where there's a lot of 5G towers, then I would have a lot better signal. That being said, what I ran into was consistently inconsistent signal between about 12 p.m. during the day and about 9 p.m. at night. It really was bad. Sometimes I would get 10 megabits per second, sometimes I would get less, sometimes I would get 1 megabit per second, sometimes I would get 0. It just really dropped off. The latency and the ping is bad. And I don't know if it's just my area. If I had a tower maybe closer to me with 5G, maybe it would be better. LTE is a lot around me, but definitely 5G is the thing that I think could change this around if possible. Now, that being said, I only ever connected 3 devices to it because, again, I was testing it out. Could I replace my home internet is what I needed to find out. And unfortunately, Zoom calls were not smooth. I needed to switch to my further away router from my other internet provider because I wasn't getting the signal that I need during a Zoom call. Then when I would go on YouTube while going to different websites to gather my daily tech deals videos, again, it lagged. So overall, I think I will be returning it. I'm going to give T-Mobile 2 weeks to see if they can come up with any better solutions, but it looks like I will be returning it. That being said, would I recommend it? Honestly, I do still love the idea of this, but I think it's going to depend on your internet signal for T-Mobile currently. If you have a really good internet signal for T-Mobile, then maybe definitely you should get it. If you have a lot of 5G towers in your area, I'll give you a website to go to check that out for yourself to see if you do, then maybe you should get it. I really do believe in this service, and maybe it's just my area that I had a bad experience in. Again, I would love to keep this if it gives me the signal I need. All I'm asking for is 50 up and 50 down, and I would be more than happy to drop Spectrum and any other cable provider in the world to go with T-Mobile instead. But of course, it isn't only me. I have a wife that works from home. I have a kid that works from school right now, obviously. So all of this stuff needs to be able to flow perfectly. And I would like a mesh system, again, to be offered, if possible. If not, an easier way to turn off the Wi-Fi signal so I can just use my own router or mesh system. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Let me hear your horror stories about your own internet providers that you wish you could change from. And do you have good T-Mobile internet signal at home, and would you be willing to try this out? Let me know in the comment section down below. I will see you there. Thank you as always for watching. This has been RICKY, the YouTube Tech Guy. Thank you for watching our video. If you liked it, why don't you go ahead and subscribe up there. Make sure you follow us on social media right here. And of course, check out our latest video up there. And right down here, you're going to find the perfect video for you. Or at least that's what YouTube tells me. Thanks again.